A shell animal is typically a marine invertebrate.
An animal without a backbone
That produces a hard, protective outer layer known as an exoskeleton or shell. These creatures, most commonly from the phylum Mollusca, use their shells to protect their soft bodies from predators, rough waves, and dehydration.
The conversation.
The conversation.
The conversation.
Key facts about shelled animals. They build their own homes. Mollusks create their own shells using calcium carbonate and proteins secreted from a specialized tissue layer called the mantle.
They grow with the animal.
Shells are not shed. They are permanent.